G'day and welcome back to another weekly real estate market update. Sunshine Coast market forecast. Here's the news across Australia. If you want to check out my full article, make sure you head on over to martinuzzi.com.au. Check it out there. Have a read. Interesting insights and some conflicting insights as well. Now, Westpac has released their market forecast of dwelling growth over the next 12 to 18 months. So they're talking about, by the end of 2026. And they're suggesting that the median house price in Sydney, for example, will increase by as much as $154,000. That takes it somewhere from 1.5 for the current median house price in the Sydney area to about 1.65. And similar gains are shown across most capital cities and regional areas as well. Brisbane, for one, looking at about a 10% growth year on year. So that's $100,000 in the median house price growth until the lead up of 2026. Now, Sunshine Coast, I think we'll see similar conditions here if that plays out, but you always have to take some of these news articles and reports with a degree of caution because things can change pretty quickly in the real estate market. ANZ actually reported last week that they predict that the RBA won't have any further rate cuts. We've already seen 3 rate cuts this year, but they're saying with inflationary pressures and things of that nature that the RBA might show more caution and keep the rates steady for the next interim period. So it'll be interesting to see how that plays out, but the fundamentals remain the same. We are seeing an all-time shortage of property availability. One report suggests there's currently 68,000 properties listed across our capital cities, and that's at an all-time low for the 15-year average. So less properties for sale. It seems that buyer confidence is improving, and one of the figures that we can look at is auction clearance rates, particularly relevant to those auction markets like Sydney, Melbourne, Canberra. They're showing improved clearance rates over the last short period. So that's suggesting the buyer confidence is improving, and that has a flow-on effect to regional areas like the Sunshine Coast as well. So for sellers leading into spring, the talk is that it's going to be a fairly hot selling season and a fairly good opportunity if you're looking to sell to get your property on the market and get it out there because there's less competition for you at the moment. So if you put your property out there, you're likely to have a lot of good buyer activity coming into your property. The median time on the market has extended slightly from about 27 days to 33 days on average. And obviously markets are different in different areas. Well-presented properties presenting good value, or properties that are priced well are still moving fairly quickly. As opposed to properties that may need some more work done to them, or maybe the price is a little bit out of line with what current sales are suggesting. So those properties are sitting for a little bit longer as well. But generally, market conditions are fairly good. And I think what we'll see, and this is a lot of the experts that I'm listening to are suggesting we'll see more properties come to the market as we lead into spring, more buyer demand and some fairly good conditions. Now, if the market forecasts are correct by Westpac, we're still going to see some growth over the next 12 to 18 months. So if you're looking to buy, now is the opportune time to get in there. If you're looking to sell, I think equally, it's a great time to get your property on the market as well. Again, check out my full market update by heading on over to martinuzzi.com.au. And if there's anything we can help you with in your next property journey, please reach out to the team here at MPG. We'd love to have a chat. Have a great day ahead.